Doggo out on the boat. Me out on the boat. Lake. Belleville. Weird intro. Definitely. Alright guys. So I'm gonna cut this motor off. We're drifting into the wind. We're alright. We're not gonna go very far. Today is a big day. Today, Lilith and I launched the boat by ourselves. You guys haven't seen the boat in a while, so I guess I'll give you guys an update of what the boat is like right now. So, my dad and I made this base form. Lilith, she's gonna get up there. So we made this base. So now we've got a casting deck on the front, which is really nice. It's a little sketchy being up this high, but it works. The second thing that I've done is I installed a hummingbird. Ooh, look at that. Right where I want them to be. Got some fish down there already. It's good. It works great. I've got it under my under this ski deck, so that way no one, because I still go out and do tubing and stuff, I don't want anyone accidentally hitting it. So I put it under the ski deck where no one can hit it, and it still doesn't get bothered too much while we're driving. The other thing I did is I have a easily removable solar panel. I left it on because my battery was sitting at half, so I left the solar panel on so that way we can charge while we're driving. And that's really it for what I've changed. It's a really short knot, but we'll hope that it stays. Bumped across that log. Oh, that was a pike, and he broke. Ha! Yeah, there. He's trying to spit the lure now. Sorry, guy. Oh, that's actually. Hold on. Just in case he jumps again. That was a nice smallmouth. Oh, there's one. There we go. He hit it right next to the boat. He hit it right next to the boat. All right, guys. There's our first one of the day. Oh wow, he's a little chunky guy too. Little chunky smallmouth. Bella. There you go. Alright. Thanks. Nice. Also, we probably haven't talked to the camera in a while. My Uncle Trey joined us. We're out here. I went and picked him up. Still on Belleville. I kind of gave up on walleye because I have no idea what I'm doing. And I went to bass fishing. Yeah, he hit it right next to the boat. That was crazy. Dude, he's huge. Look at him. I think it is, actually. Surprised no fish grabbed him.
looking forward because so that one, sure enough,
That's what I want to be one day. There's one. Oh, no!
No way, I saw it though.
Just a little tiny. I don't even know what that was. That's. Oh, alright. Another one right next to the boat. Yeah. Nice little bluegill. Ooh, that hurt. Thanks, bud. You done? Can I unhook you now or what? Nice little bluegill. Thanks, guy. Bloop. Bloop, bloop. Another one. Maybe. I don't think so. I think he's off now. Battery is just really small. Oh no, he's just really small. Yeah, where we caught that smallmouth, and now I'm just using this little spinner tail thing. I don't really know. It's probably meant for ice fishing, but I'm got it on a piece of line and throwing it out there. I'm just reeling it back real slow. I was gonna get stuck up under this tree trying to cast. Another little guy. Oh, that was a bass though. That one was a bass. Oh, that was a bass though. That one was a bass. Lila, good day out on the water. High five. Give me a high five. Good girl. High five, good girl. Alright, so we're at the boat launch. I'm leaving now. Just got the boat back on the trailer. That went smoothly. Yeah, I think I'm really getting this boat thing down, but as summer turns to fall, we're going to see less of the boat, and you guys already haven't seen that much of the boat because of I just haven't been really getting them on there, but caught two smallmouth, a few bluegills, and that mystery fish that snapped me off in the beginning. I think it was another smallmouth, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, I will catch you on the fish side.